Now, when it comes to various sectors out there at the moment, if you could combine utilities and energy, they've been two of the hottest parts of the market because what's been going on, of course, with those booming commodity and energy prices. What about in the local market? Are there any names that go and fit the bill in that space?
Yeah, there certainly is, Scotty. That's a nice segue. You're right, 100% right. They have two hottest sectors, or have been of late. That's energy and utilities. And there's a couple of names that fit the bill. One of them is AGL Energy. That's not the one that I've focused on today. That was one that was in a downtrend for a long time. One that looks better, but is a similar sort of business, is Origin Energy. They recently announced the $250 million share market, buyback on the back of strong cash flow, and management has hinted that there could be some further capital management coming down the pike as well. And just looking at the chart there again, focusing on the technicals, nice uptrend support there. Classical definition of an uptrend, series of higher lows and higher highs. And again, I've highlighted that volume box there, so supportive volume on the way up. And as I said to you last time I was on the show, Scotty, that's really important to me. More and more people obviously paying attention to this theme, paying attention to those sectors, and more people wanting to buy this stock. And you can tell that it's the buyers that are driving the action because the price is going up at the same time that the volume is going up as well. So really well supported rally. You know, the other side of this trade, or someone who was taking the opposing view might say it's an overcrowded trade. I don't think the utility space is an overcrowded trade. Certainly energy possibly, but obviously Origin sits in the utility sector, and I don't think utilities are an overcrowded trade. They're likely to perform pretty well through whatever cycle we see over the next 12 to 24 months.
And just for my interest, the moving average we've got there on that chart as well, what is that measuring?
Yeah, so there's three exponential moving averages there. So thanks for asking, Scotty. I like to see the exponential moving averages in a particular configuration. And what they show to me is trend alignment across multiple time frames. So just for anyone playing at home, the periodicity that I use is 8, 21, and 125. And I like to see the red, which is the shortest period, the one that hugs the price action most closely, above the blue one, that's the 21, and then both of those crossed higher and sitting above the longer term EMA filter, which is the green one, which is sloping higher as well. And again, all the charts that I'm presenting to you today, apart from the XJO, of course, have this particular exponential moving average configuration. It's a little thing I called 3MA. Nice little play on words there. So yeah, when I'm running my scans in the morning, I like to see these type of charts. Because, as I said, they show trend alignment and they show bullish trend across multiple timeframes.